we say slope, it is the steepness of the line. And to find the slope, we can use the ratio of its rise to its run. When we say rise, it is the change in y coordinate. Meaning, if our rise is upward, the sign is what? Positive. Kapag naman downward, okay, so run is change in x coordinate. If the direction of the run is going to the right, the sign is kapag going to the left. Okay, now, we are going to use the formula to find the slope given 2 points. So the formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So given 2 points, we can find the slope using first the formula, or another method is by graph. So you're going to graph the given points to find the slope of a line. Okay, so the given is negative 2, 4, and the second point is what? Positive 1, 6. So, to find the slope of a line given 2 points, need to use the formula. Okay, what we're going to do? Step 1, identify the value of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. Since negative 2, 4 is our first coordinate, so, siya rin yung magiging x sub 1 at ating y sub 1. And this is the second point. Therefore, siya si x sub 2 ay y sub 2. Okay, step 2, we need to substitute the given. Okay, so this is the formula. What is the value of y sub 2? 6 minus y sub 1? 4. Over what is x sub 2? 1 minus x sub 1? Negative 2. If the subtrahend is negative, use parentheses. Then after that, simplify your answer. 6 minus 4? 2. Over 1 minus negative 2. Okay, what we're going to do? We are going to apply cha-cha. What is cha-cha? Change the operation to addition and change the sign of the subtrahend. Then proceed to addition of integers. 1 plus 2. Okay, do you think we can simplify 2 over 3? Okay, if no, therefore the slope is 2 over 3. Okay, let us check our answer. So how to check? We're going to plot the given points using a Cartesian plane. Okay, step 1, plot the first point, which is negative 2, 4. So start at the origin, negative 2, going to the left, positive 4, upward. The second one is, we have positive 1 and positive 6. After plotting the 2 points, connect it using a straight line. And then let us count the rise over run. Okay, start at your first point. So our first point is negative 2, 4. So from here, pupunta tayo sa second point. Tataas ka or bababa? Okay, bilang. 1, 2. So dahil tumaas, what is the sign? Positive, negative. Okay, positive 2. And then papunta tayo kay second point. Going to the right or going to the left? Right. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3.
So dahil going to the right, positive, negative. Okay, positive 3. So therefore, our slope is what? 2 over 3. So do you think they are equal?
Yes.
Okay, therefore, our answer is correct. Now, what can you say about the sign of the slope? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, if the slope is positive, what can you say about the graph?
It is up.
Increasing from left to right. Sa Tagalog, kapag ang slope natin ay positive, ang ating graph ay increasing from left to right. So, simula sa kaliwa, pataas, papunta sa kanan. That is the positive or the graph of a positive slope. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, let us proceed by number 2. Okay, step 1, we're going to identify the value of y sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 1. Okay, so write the formula. Okay, after writing the formula, step 2, substitute. What is y sub 2? Negative 5. Minus y sub 1. Negative 1. Use parentheses. Over x sub 2. 5 minus x sub 1. Negative 3. Then after that, simplify. Okay, since we cannot subtract negative 1 by negative 5, from negative 1, what we're going to do is we need to apply cha-cha. Change the operation to addition and change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, ganun din sa ating denominator. Then simplify. Negative 5 plus 1. Same sign, unlike. Unlike. Add or subtract? Subtract. 5 minus 1?
Negative 4.
4. And then copy the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. So the answer is negative 4. Over 5 plus 3. Okay, do you think we can simplify negative 4 over 8?
Yes.
Yes, because 4 and 8 are both divisible by
4.
So, meaning negative 4 over 8 is also equal to
Negative 1.
negative 1 half. Bakit naging negative 1 half? Kasi po, si 4 at si 8 ay dinivide po kanino? Kay 4. 4 divided by 4. And then 8 divided by 4. Then copy the sign, negative. Do you understand? Okay, again, let's check if our slope is correct by plotting the given points. Okay, the first point is negative 3, negative 1. The second point is 5, negative 5. Then after that, connect the 2 points using a straight line. Okay, ano yung first point natin? Negative 3, negative. Dito tayo mag-start ng bilang. Okay, ito yung second point natin. What is the direction? Upward or downward?
Upward.
Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 4. Bumaba tayo. Positive, negative.
Negative.
Okay, negative 4. Over. Going to the right, going to the left.
Right.
Right, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, positive, negative.
Positive.
Okay, so negative 4 over 8 is equal to what? Negative 1 half. They are equal? Okay, meaning our answer is correct. Okay, now, again, what is the sign of the slope? Positive or negative? Negative now. If the slope is negative, what can you say about the graph?
Decreasing.
Very good. Decreasing from left to
Right.
or just simply sa Tagalog, pababa. Simula sa kaliwa, pababa papunta sa kanan. And that is the negative slope. Next